Hello students, consider here one more theorem. In our previous lecture or previous video, we learned arithmetic and geometric inequality. Okay, this inequality says that arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. That is arithmetic means which is a plus b by 2 and geometric mean means square root of ab. So here root AB means geometric mean which less than a plus b by 2, that means arithmetic mean. Okay, we learn that arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. Geometric mean is less than arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean greater geometric mean picture. Okay, using that theorem we see here one example or theorem. Say, consider here, let a is less than b. We have given that a is less than b and we have to prove that 0 is less than a is less than root ab is less than a plus b by 2 is less than b. We have to prove that for any number 0 is less than a is less than b. That means both the numbers a and b are greater than 0 and both the numbers having a is less than b. That means one number is less than other number. Then we have to prove that a is less than root ab means geometric mean is less than arithmetic mean is less than root b. Okay, it is very simple example. Let us start. Here 0 is less than a is less than b and we have given that a is greater than 0. A is greater than 0, b is also greater than 0. If a is greater than 0, then we can multiply with a on both sides. So here we multiply a on both sides. That means a into a is less than a into b. A less than b या टर्मला आपण दोन्ही साइडला a ने मल्टिप्लाय केले. Okay, so a into a, that means a square, and a into b which is square which is ab. Okay, so here we get a square is less than ab. Okay, so taking square root on both sides, square root of a square is less than square root of ab. Square root of a square is a and root of ab is so root ab. Okay, that means here we get a is less than square root of ab. We have to prove that this a is less than root of ab. So we get this first part, a is less than root ab. Okay, now also we have given that the number b is also greater than 0. Okay, we have given this inequality, a is less than b and b is greater than 0. Then we can multiply b on both sides. So we get here a into b is less than b into b. B into b is b square. That is ab is less than b square. That means root ab is less than root b square. But root b square is b. That means we get root ab is less than root b. Okay. So in previous we get here a is less than root ab and here we get root ab is less than root b. So by combining these two results we get here we get a is less than root ab and here we get root ab is less than b. So by combining these two results we get a is less than root ab is less than b. A is less than root ab is less than b. Okay, so we completing this part, a is less than root ab is less than b. Now we have to consider this. Okay, this is arithmetic inequality. Okay, or arithmetic mean. Okay, so for this we see here now a is less than b, and the number a is greater than 0. So we can add a in both sides. आपण दोन्ही साइडला a पण add करू शकतो since a is greater than 0. So a plus a is less than a plus b. दोन्ही साइडला a add केलाय. So a plus a is 2a is less than a plus b. Okay, so dividing by 2 on both sides, here we get a is less than a plus b upon 2. A is less than a plus b by 2. Okay, also a is less than b, so we can add b on both sides. So adding b on both sides we get a plus b is less than 2b. Dividing 2 on both sides we get a plus b by 2 is less than b. Okay, so here in this result we get a is less than a plus b by 2, and here we get a plus b is less than b. That means by combining these two results we have a is less than a plus b by 2 is less than b. Okay. So we solve this much amount of this theorem. Okay. And by arithmetic and geometric inequality theorem, we have arithmetic mean is greater than geometric means. That means here root AB means geometric mean. Geometric mean is less than arithmetic mean. Okay. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric means. That means geometric mean is less than arithmetic mean. So by this theorem, we know that this root AB is less than a plus b by 2. Okay. So by combining all these three results, we get, okay, we already proved that a is less than, first we prove a is less than root AB is less than b. This is our first result. Our second result is a is less than a plus b upon 2 is less than b. Okay. And by arithmetic and geometric inequality theorem, we get this root AB is less than a plus b by 2. That means from these three results 1, 2 and 3, we get a is less than root AB is less than a plus b by 2, and a plus b by 2 is less than b. So if a is less than b, then this is hold. Okay. This is very simple. Okay. Now we see one more example. This is also based on arithmetic and geometric mean. This is a very simple example. If a, b, c are positive real numbers, we have to prove that a plus b, b plus c into a plus c, this is greater than or equal to 8 times a, b, c. Further, if a plus b plus c is equal to 1, if a plus b plus c is equal to 1, then we have to prove that 1 minus a into 1 minus b into 1 minus c, this is greater than or equal to 8 times ABC. Okay. So we have given that a, b, c are positive real numbers, and first we have to prove that a into b plus b into c plus a into c, this term is greater than or equal to 8 into ABC. So go for the solution. Okay. Here we use the arithmetic and geometric mean inequality. So by this inequality, we have know that a plus b by 2 is greater than or equal to square root of AB. That means arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Okay. So squaring on both side. Okay. Not squaring, multiplying 2 to this side, right side, we get a plus b is greater than or equal to 2 times root AB. A plus b is greater than or equal to 2 times root AB. This is true for the numbers a and b. This is true for the number a and b. If the numbers are b and c, जर number b and c असतील तर काय मिळेल आपल्याला b plus c is greater than or equal to 2 into root bc. If the numbers are a and c, then we get a plus c is greater than or equal to 2 into root ac. Okay. जी inequality a and b साठी hold आहे, which is true for b and c are also true for a and c. Okay. So multiplying a plus b into b plus c into a plus c. आपल्याला हे हवे ना, this is our left hand side. Okay. A plus b into b plus c into a plus c. This is our a plus b. This is b plus c. And this is a plus c. Taking multiplication to right hand side, 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. 8 into root ab into root bc into root ac. Okay. Root AB into root BC into root AC. Multiplication होईल. So square root मध्ये काय होणार? AB into BC into AC. So here म्हणजेच तुम्हाला square root मध्ये काय मिळेल? Which is equal to square root of A into A is A square, B into B is B square, and C into C is C square. Okay. Taking square root केल्यावर square and square root cancel होईल. So you get only A into B into C. So our answer is 8 into ABC. Okay. So this is very simple example. Now we have given that one more condition, that whenever A plus B plus C is equal to 1, if A plus B plus C is equal to 1, then what will happen? Then 1 minus A 1 मायनस एची व्हॅल्यू काय होईल आपल्याला काय प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे 1 मायनस ए इंटू 1 मायनस बी इंटू 1 मायनस सी. दिस multiplication of these three terms is also greater than 8 into ABC. So first we have to find these terms 1 minus A, 1 minus B and 1 minus C. So we have given that here A plus B plus C is equal to 1. That means 1 minus A. Here 1 minus A is equal to what? B plus C. A आहे तो आपण इकडे घेतला. 1 minus A is equal to B plus C. 1 minus B केल्यावर काय होणार 1 minus B A plus C. And 1 minus C is equal to A plus B. So multiplying these three terms, we get 1 minus A is equal to what? B plus C, A plus C, A plus B. But the terms A plus B, B plus C into A plus C, this term is greater than or equal to काय आहे 8 ABC. Already prove केले आपण. So this is greater than or equal to 8 ABC. Okay. So this is very simple example. We will prove both these two conditions. Okay. Now consider again one more example. For positive real numbers a, b, c, for positive real numbers a, b, c, prove that a square upon bc plus b square upon ca plus c square upon ab, this term is greater than or equal to 3. For positive real numbers a, b, c, we have to prove this. Okay. Applying arithmetic and geometric mean equality for this real number. Here we use also arithmetic and geometric inequality. Okay. A square upon bc, b square upon ca and c square upon ab, we get. Okay. आता यांचा आपण यूज करणार आहोत. b square upon a square upon bc plus addition करूया आपण b square upon ca plus c square upon ab upon 3 या टर्मने आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे upon 3. ओके. upon 3 is equal to, it is greater than equal to a square. Okay. We applying the arithmetic and geometric mean to this नंबर. कुठल्या नंबर्सना वापरणार आपण आपला थिअरम वापरणार आहोत अरिथमॅटिक अँड जॉमेट्रिक इनइक्वॅलिटी फॉर दिस नंबर a प्लस बी प्लस सी अपॉन 3. अरिथमॅटिक मीन इज ग्रेटर दॅन इक्वल टू जॉमेट्रिक मीन. ओके. मगाशी आपलं तिथे काय होतं 2 नंबर होते म्हणून आपण इकडे स्क्वेअर रूट वापरलं होतं. आता इथे 3 नंबर आहेत म्हणून आपण काय वापरणार आहोत क्यूब रूट आहोत. तिकडे काय आपलं अरिथमॅटिक मीन काय होता a प्लस बी बाय 2 is greater than square root of ab. This is hold for 2 numbers. Now we have 3 numbers 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So our inequality will changes. A plus b plus c upon 3 is greater than equal to a into b into c त्याचं क्यूब रूट. मगाशी स्क्वेअर रूट होतं आता काय होणार 3 नंबर असल्यामुळे क्यूब रूट झालं. ओके. सो फॉर दिस inequality is a plus b plus c upon 3 is greater than equal to square root of cube root of a square into b square into c square upon this. त्या तिन्ही नंबरचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन आणि त्याचं क्यूब रूट घेतलं आहे. दिस इज इक्वल टू 1. ही 1 व्हॅल्यू येते का 1 येते सिन्स हिअर बघा a स्क्वेअर हा a स्क्वेअर a इंटू a विल कॅन्सल b स्क्वेअर b इन b कॅन्सल c स्क्वेअर दिस c and c विल कॅन्सल. सो ऑल दिस cancel bracket मध्ये राहतो 1 and cube root of 1 is 1. Okay. Okay. So multiplying 3 to this right side we get a square upon b square plus b square upon c square plus c square upon ab. This number is greater than equal to 3. So very simple example, but we have to only remember that if we use the arithmetic and geometric inequality for 3 numbers, then the arithmetic mean is a plus b by c upon 3. This greater than equal to cube root of a into b into c. This is for 3 numbers. Arithmetic mean is greater than equal to geometric mean. Okay. So this this remark is very important. Keep it in mind. Now we see one more example here. Let A, B, C are be positive real numbers, we have to show that a square upon b square plus b square upon c square plus c square upon a square, this term is greater than or equal to b upon a plus c upon b plus a upon c. Okay, this is very simple example. Again, here we use arithmetic and geometric inequality. Here we have given three numbers: a square upon b square plus b square upon c square plus c square upon a square. Okay, so let us start the solution. Here we use arithmetic geometric inequality for these two numbers, first two numbers, a square upon b square and b square upon c square. Okay, for this number, arithmetic mean is, formula for arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2. That means addition of these two numbers. So a square plus b square, a plus b square upon c square divided by 2. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. Geometric means multiplication of these two numbers, a square upon b square into b square upon c square, याचा square root. Okay, हा formula आहे geometric means आहे, हा arithmetic means आहे, त्याचा square root. Okay, here b square and b square will cancel, so in bracket remains only a square upon c square, and square root of a square upon c square is a upon c. Square root of a square upon c square is a upon c. See here, right, a upon c, not 1 upon c, it is a upon c. Okay, multiplying 2 to this side, right hand side, we get here a square upon b square plus b square upon c square. These two will come here, so here get 2 into a upon c. इथे 1 नहीं है, इथे a है, remember that. So here we use arithmetic and geometric inequality formula. Okay, formula लक्षात राहील ना, a plus b upon 2, this is arithmetic mean, which is greater than geometric mean, square root of ab. Square root means ab raised to half. Okay, so here we get a square upon b square plus b square upon c square, this term is greater than 2 into a upon c. Okay, again similarly, if we use the arithmetic and geometric mean formula for b square upon c square, b square upon c square, and b square upon c square and c square upon a square, if we use this formula for these two terms, b square upon c square and c square upon a square, then we get again arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. So we get again b square upon c square plus c square upon a square is greater than or equal to 2 times b upon a, is greater than or equal to 2 times b upon a. आता हे b upon a कसं येणार, कारण ह्या दोन टर्मचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन होणार. विच टर्म, b स्क्वेअर अपॉन c स्क्वेअर इंटू c स्क्वेअर अपॉन a स्क्वेअर, यांचं जॉमेट्रिक मध्ये मल्टिप्लिकेशन होणार. सो हिअर c स्क्वेअर आणि c स्क्वेअर विल कॅन्सल, रिमेन्स b स्क्वेअर अपॉन a स्क्वेअर, आणि त्याचं स्क्वेअर रूट काय येणार, b अपॉन a. सो हिअर रिमेन्स b अपॉन a. Also if we use this term for c square upon a square plus a square upon b square, then here also this a square and a square will cancel, and in term of geometric mean remains g square upon b square, c square upon b square, and square root of this c square upon b square is c upon b. Okay, so we adding these three terms. Which three terms? A square, first term is this a square upon b square plus b square upon c square, first term, plus याच्यामध्ये हे ॲड करणार b square upon c square plus c square upon a square, plus we add here c square upon a square plus a square upon b square. आपण ह्या टर्म ॲड केल्या तर प्रत्येक टर्म दोनदा येणार आहे. विच टर्म बघा इथे, ही बघा, ही बी स्क्वेअर अपॉन सी स्क्वेअर अपॉन ए स्क्वेअर प्लस सी स्क्वेअर अपॉन ए स्क्वेअर दोनदा येणार. आधीची टर्म आहे बी स्क्वेअर प्लस सी स्क्वेअर दोनदा येणार, ए स्क्वेअर प्लस बी स्क्वेअर दोनदा येणार आहे टर्म्स. ओके, म्हणजे त्या तिन्ही टर्मची ॲडिशन केली ह्या कुठल्या थ्री टर्म, दिस इज अवर फर्स्ट टर्म, दिस इज अवर सेकंड टर्म, अँड दिस इज अवर थर्ड टर्म. तर बघा ए स्क्वेअर अपॉन बी स्क्वेअर आणि ए स्क्वेअर अपॉन बी स्क्वेअर ही टर्म दोनदा आली. b square upon b square upon c square 2 times, and c square upon a square, c square upon a square 3 times. So adding these three terms we get 2 into bracket this a square upon b square plus b square upon c square plus c square upon a square. This term is greater than or equal to 2 times. आता ह्यांच्या राईट हँड साईडची ॲडिशन 2 टाइम्स. ते आपण टर्म्स कशा येणार, त्या 2 टाइम्स म्हणजे ह्या 3 टर्म्स आहेत ना. ही टर्म्स आहे बी अपॉन ए सी अपॉन बी आणि तिकडची टर्म कोणती आली होती आपल्याला 2 इंटू ए अपॉन सी. ह्या 3 टर्म्स आहेत, ह्यांची ॲडिशन म्हणजे ह्यांच्यातून 2 कॉमन काढणार. सो वी गेट हिअर ए अपॉन सी plus b upon a plus c upon b. So cancelling 2 from both sides we get the result. Okay, so these are all example for our arithmetic and geometric inequality. Okay, solve this example, prepare notes and write all these examples in your notes, then you get the answers of these questions. And if you have any difficulty, tell me, I will explain this you again and again. Okay.